So today, we are going to Subic with our neighbor.
Sa mga sudon?
Yung ano lang dun. Sa Paris? Oh, sa Paris. Bawal? You guys talk to them.
Ay! Nakakano naman. Nakaka-relax naman kahit paano.
Hi, Kobe.
Nakaka-relax.
Hi, ate.
Kapag hindi makasama.
Hi, ate.
Solusyon naman kaya.
Ate.
Yung ano na.
Hello.
Hello po.
Hello, ah.
Pwede naman mag-ibig. Ilagay mo sa basurahan. Ay, bagay may basurahan din.
Hindi, meron tayo. Meron tayo.
Muna kayo.
So hindi ko alam kung nasan ba. Meron ako. May paper bag. Eh, ano ka, be? Trash bag? Oo.
Yeah. Hindi, kasi isa, magkano natin bebenta rito? 30.
Kasi sa SM, nasa 25 na ata yung turon.
Okay, may nagtitinda ng ice cream.
Hi, ate.
Oh, lahat kayo doon! Kayo ron! Hindi, picture ako kayo!
Ay, dito na tayo. Sabi ni Makmak tayo. Atatayo tayo.
Tay! Ito kayo!
Ay, atatayo tayo dito.
Saan ka ron?
Cookies, queso, avocado. Cookies. Cookies and cream also. This one. And then isang cheese.
Nakahanap na daw kuya mo ng bahay.
Hindi ko alam eh, bakit?
Yan, yung bahay daw niya.
Tanong ko.
15 daw. Malapit sa yun, Clark.
Tanong ko po kung nakahanap na.
Sarap ah. Biling sauce ka? Ay, sayang malas. Abi, water and sauce. May practice kami. Wow. Ready? Happy yung bebe? Patuloy din tayo, be, ha?
I love Bedwars. I have a love-hate relationship. And maybe my eyes are not insane. I don't like playing on my phone. I don't like playing on my phone. I don't like playing on my phone. You're in the speaker. Ayaw mo yung phone mo. Ayaw mo yung phone mo.
Hello, Kobe. Did you have fun? Where are you? There you are. Did you have fun?
B.
Oh, Kobe, tell us. What happened? You played with Celine. Your best friend? Your super duper best friend?
Ito kami yung kay Bobby kasi happy ito yung araw.
Till next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Huh? What's that? Hey Kobe, it's nighttime already. Hey, how was the Subic getaway trip?
Good.
What can you say?
Go Copy
It's fun. And especially the view.
red. Copy red.
Kobe,
Hmm.
hey, what else can you say about today?
Fun.
Aside from fun.
One of the best days.
Sino kasama natin?
Celine.
Did you text Celine na?
Yes.
What did you say?
I said hello.
Okay, till next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.